Hola, hola, hola. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hola Adventures in Spanish with Senora Lisa. What was that? Okay. Señora Lisa and mi amigo Leo. Hola, hola a todos. Leo, aren't you excited today? Sí, Señora Lisa. Well, did you enjoy class so far? Sí, Señora Lisa, me encanta la clase del español contigo. I'm so glad you've enjoyed Spanish class with me today. Do you want to stay here as we go through our cultural facts with all of our boys and girls out there? Por favor, Señora Lisa. Okay, Leo. Oh, my goodness. Well, I'm glad that Leo has enjoyed class today, and hopefully you all have as well. Let's go through our cultural fact, and then we can... Leo, what's going on right now? Okay, you see la merienda, the snack for today? All right, you can have some, but let's finish up, all right? Okay, Señora Lisa, gracias, porque yo tengo hambre. All right, you're hungry, all right. We're going to go through our cultural facts, and then we'll go through a recap or un repaso, a review of today's class. And then we'll have our snack after we sing our adios song. Are you ready now? Sí, Señora Lisa. Well, you guys, you know that we've been talking about the weather in today's class and the months of the year and the seasons. So how about we talk about the climate in Latin America? The climate of Latin America ranges from the hot and humid Amazon River basin to the dry and desert-like conditions of northern Mexico and southern Chile. Rainforest, desert, and savanna are all found in the region. The vegetation varies from rainforest to grasslands and desert scrub. How about all of that, Leo? Well, I know a little bit about Latin America. Well, what do you know about Latin America? Yo fui a los países. You went to the countries in Latin America? Which ones have you gone to? Can you believe him? Yo fui a Nicaragua y también Honduras. You have? Well, there are more. Can you all name some of the countries in Latin America? What about Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras? Muy bien. Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama. You're right. Hey, you all, Leo is right. Costa Rica happens to be one of my favorites. With all of the wonderful tropical rainforests there, the beautiful beaches that you'll find. I mean, we're talking about zip lining. Yeah, I know, zip lining as you go from tree to tree. And then the beaches where you can swim in the ocean with all of the different animals. You can even jump off of a boat and maybe even swim with the whales. What do you think about that? There's scuba diving and snorkeling. It's such a fun time. Me encanta el tiempo. You just said the word of the day. El tiempo. And I did my gesture for hace calor. Great job, Leo. Gracias, Señora Lisa. Shoo. My gesture is the wind. Your gesture is the wind? Great job. Let's talk about what we went through in class today. Do you all remember? We began con los meses del año, the months of the year. Repite, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, y junio, julio, agosto. You just feel like singing today, huh? Well, what about septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre? Do you all remember the months of the year? ¿Y cuántos meses del año hay? Hay 12 meses del año, hay 12 meses del año. Yeah, there are 12. Good job, Leo. You're such a great helper in class with me today. You must really want that snack. What else did we go through in class today? Do you remember at home? You're right. ¿Cómo está el clima? ¿Cómo está el clima? ¿Cómo está el clima hoy? How is the weather? ¿Qué tiempo hace? What's the weather like? How is the climate? ¿Está soleado? Is it sunny? ¿Hace frío? Is it cold? ¿Hace viento? Is it windy? You're right. We went through the different weather expressions. And what happened when it was time for us to go afuera? You're right. La lluvia. La lluvia. Oh, don't get sad, Leo, because my friends at home sang a song with me. Do you remember?
Sí, Señora Lisa. Lluvia, lluvia, vete ya.
Otro día volverá. Señora Lisa y Leo queremos jugar. Lluvia, lluvia, vete ya. You all did a great job today. Let's go ahead and have our snack. But right before we do, we'll sing our adios song. Here we go. Adios, mis amigos. Adios. Adios, everyone.
Adios, mis amigos. Adios.
Oh, Leo.
Adios, mis
Amigos. Adios, mis amigos. Adios, mis amigos. Adios. Goodbye, everyone. All right, Leo, here you go. See you soon.